Can you do red, pink and purple please? I love your videos and you're a good artist. You will be forever. Oh, that comment has made my day. Thank you so much. What do I do to deserve such sweet subscribers? I swear I love you guys. I've got the colours you asked for, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm going in with red first on this end. Next up, we got some pink in the center, so pop that right here. And then last up, we got the purple, so I'm gonna pop that right on the end. Okay, my favorite part. Now we mix. Let me clean it up. If you're enjoying my video so far, do me a big favor and hit the like button. You didn't say whether or not you wanted a gloss, so I'm gonna leave it how it is. But this color combination is so pretty. Good job. And it's the perfect choice since Valentine's Day is coming up. I really love this one. It might be one of my favorites. But let me know what you guys think. Comment and let me know what other color combination you guys want to see, and whoever's comment gets the most likes is the one I will do next. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Let's do some glam makeup. It has been a while since I've done full glam. I actually used to do it all the time on my Instagram. I've been kind of missing it lately, so let's see how rusty I am and if I still have those glam skills. Start off with some primer. This is a mini travel size one. How cute, it's like a little baby. I'm gonna start on the eyes while I let that primer sink into my skin. I want to go for something soft but colourful, so I'm putting an eyeshadow base down first so that any colours I put on top really pop. I'm blending it quite far out and inwards because I want to give myself a lot of room to blend in case I make any mistakes. Just blending out the edges with a sponge so they're nice and smooth. Smooth criminal. Starting off with this baby pink shade on my inner corner first. So I'm just tapping it on. And I'm stopping the eyeshadow about halfway on my lid. I'm gonna go right next to that pink with some orange. I'm not gonna blend it out yet because, plot twist, I'm gonna take some yellow on my brush and go right in between that pink and orange to blend the two together until the line starts to fade and it just looks nice and flawless like that. Looks like a pretty sunset. Now that that's nice and blended, I'm going in with the orange and just tapping it on the outer part just to intensify that colour a bit because it kind of faded when I blended. I'm adding a bit of red eyeshadow right next to that orange and softly blending it out. I'm kind of looking like a lollipop right now, but I love it. A little lollipop. So I've got like a burgundy shade eyeshadow that I'm just putting on the outer corner and creating a wing. This is just one of those things that you get in eyeshadow palettes, you know, that cover it. So I've placed it where I want it at an angle. And now I'm going in with some burgundy eyeshadow. And I'm blending at an angle as if I was doing like a wing eyeliner. I've added a tiny bit of black eyeshadow to make it darker, and I'm just doing the same again, running it along the outer corner. I'm adding that same black and burgundy eyeshadow to my inner corner just to create a little wing. Add a little bit of mascara. Time for the lashes. Add in the lash. Oh, that was easy. Now we need to fix this face, so let's get some foundation on. I don't know why I'm always scared to like pump out the foundation because I feel like it's gonna go all over the place. Okay, that's blending in really nice. I thought because I have a bit of a tan from my holiday that most of my foundations wouldn't match me anymore, but it looks fine. Or at least it does to me, let me know if I'm wrong. And some concealer, contour, starting off with my nose and down the sides, cheekbones, 5 head, chinny chin chin. I've added my blush, now let's give everything a quick spray. Blending out the concealer first. My under eyes have never looked so good. Okay, the contour's all blended out, nice and sculpted. Finish off the nose really quick. Setting everything with powder. While I'm baking, I'm gonna do my brows. Just add on the ends. Brows are ready and the baking is done, so let's dust off this powder so you guys can see the end result. This is the end look, guys. What do we think? It feels good to do a full glam again. I don't know if you can really see the yellow and orange pops in the eyeshadow, but it still looks cute. Comment and let me know what you guys think. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye. No makeup versus no makeup makeup. Let's do it. I always do this when I want to look like the better version of myself, but with minimal makeup. Start off with under eye concealer. I add a little bit on my nose as well. Spray my beauty blender with whatever product is left on the sponge. And you see how it just brightens up my face already. Next I go in with a cream contour. So instead of drawing the contour lines straight onto my face, I'm going to go in with a brush first. Pick up some of the contour on my brush and start pressing the shape on. Then I go right where my brow starts, just underneath. I'll kind of do an arch right here and then bring that down to join up to the button nose. Patting along the line until it starts to fade into my skin. And I'm going to do the exact same for the cheekbones, so I've got a bigger brush. I'm just going to start tapping along there and going upwards. Then add a dot of cream blush and blend out that blush. And then I just use whatever's left on the brush across the bridge of my nose. I'm going to go in with some translucent powder, dab the excess off on the back of my hand, quickly get my damp sponge to make sure there's no creases on my under eyes, and then go in and set under my eyes. Then I go in with some clear brow gel. I just did a small little inner corner liner. I'm filling in my brows with a brow pen, drawing up the top to the bottom. I do some hair flicks in the front to fill that out a bit more, filling in the end. Now we're going to add some fake freckles. I either use a brown liquid lipstick or a brown brow pencil. And I just start dotting on random dots. Take my finger and start tapping it out. And then I just go over my nose contour and the area that I put the freckles with a powder bronzer. Then I add a lip stain. Leave it on for a few seconds to stain my lips and give it a nice pink tint. I'm going to wipe off the bottom lip first. And I add a gloss or a lip oil. Add in some mascara, or you can add a really natural looking lash. Let me fix my hair, I'll be right back. All done, this is the end result. So you can see there's not a major difference. The whole point is to have makeup on without looking like you have a lot of makeup on. So you want to keep it minimal and natural looking. Which side do you prefer? Be honest. If you made it to the end, drop a love heart emoji and I'll show you some love back. 3 ways to wear red lipstick. First up is ombre. You're going to add some pink lipstick, just like this. Add red to the center and then just blend it out either with your finger or brush. And then just add a clear gloss and that's it. Next you got the vampy lip. So you want to take a black lip liner and line your lips like you normally would. I'm extending the outer corners so that's a bit more pointy and then joining it up. Shade the sides in with the black and leave the center empty. Then I'm going to add a red lipstick in the center and just smack my lips together to make it blend. Lightly tap over it with red to make the 2 colours blend together, and that's the vampy lip. Last is the classic red lip. You just want to get a red lip liner and start lining your lips. Then go in with your choice of red lipstick and apply it all over. And that's it, the classic red lip. You can leave it matte or you can add a gloss if you want. Which one was your favourite? If you watched to the end, comment a lipstick emoji and I'll show you some love back. Bye!